Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be learning how to play Cockroach Poker, a hilarious and deceptive card game where you bluff your way to victory. In Cockroach Poker, your goal is to force your opponents to collect creepy critters. The moment a player has 4 of the same kind, they lose, and everybody else wins. To begin, shuffle the deck of Cockroach Poker cards and deal the entire deck evenly among the players. Each card represents a different type of critter. Each player's turn comprises 2 steps: picking a card and then passing it to another player with a claim about what it is. That's all. The player receiving the card now has 2 choices. The first choice is to accept. The receiving player chooses to accept the card, but before picking it up, he declares true or false. True is when he believes that your statement that the card is a cockroach, for example, is true. False is when he doubts your claim. If the player believes or doubts correctly, you have to take the card and put it face up in front of you. If he believes or doubts wrongly, however, he has to take the card himself. The second choice is to pass the card. The receiving player decides not to accept the card, but to pass it on. In this case, he is allowed to peek at the card before sliding it on to another player. In addition, this player must either confirm your statement, "It is a cockroach," or make a new claim, like, "It's a stink bug." The new receiving player can now accept the card or pass it on. The game can carry on in this way until all except one player have seen and know what the card is. The last player who the card is passed on to will therefore only have one option: accept the card and try to judge if the claim of the player who passed it to him was true or false. Again, if he is correct, he gets to return it to the attacking player. If he isn't, he has to keep the card. Whoever the card lands up with gets to start the next round. The game continues until one player has 4 of the same kind of critter or has no more cards to offer when it's his turn. That player loses and everybody wins. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe for more game guides.